you just made a commit and realized it's wrong. So here is 3 ways to undo it, from safest to the most destructive. So let me show you the problem. This is my repository. I have a file and I have made some commits. For that, to show you, I will run the command git log --1 line. And here you see we have 3 commits, and this is the commit that is the mistake that I want to revert. So let's use the method number 1, that is soft reset. So for that you have to type the command. Let me open this git changes section as well on the editor, and on the bottom you will see the logs in the real time here. And now let's type the command git reset, and here we will use the flag soft and use head and tilde sign and type 1. Press enter. Now you will notice that from those 3 commits, the most recent commit has been removed from the commit history, and it is again available in the staging area you see here. And if you click on that, we now have opportunity to fix our mistake and then commit it again. So here I can fix it, like you can unstage it, and now here I can add fixed and save it, stage it again, and I can add my commit. Issue is fixed, and now let's commit it. And now the reverted commit is fixed, and if you run the command git log --out 1 line, then you will see we have replaced that bad commit with the corrected version of that commit. Okay, so your code is still there, you just uncommitted and fixed the code. And you should use this approach when you want to edit the commit message or add more changes like we did now. Now let's try the hard reset method. So for that you will, let me clear the console terminal and type the command git reset --hard and head and this symbol and 1. Press enter, and you see that all of the changes and that commit is gone forever. So you have to be very careful. You have to use this approach only if you want to completely delete the commit and the changes. Now let's move on to the next method, the revert method. Okay, so for example, now we have only 2 commits. Like, let me show you git log --1 line. We have only 2 commits left at the moment, and I'm going to run the command git revert head. So before I press enter, let me tell you about this. So when you press enter, it would create a new commit that undoes the previous work of the most recent commit. So let's press enter, and you see that our commit is still there, but now it is giving me opportunity to make the changes, and that change would be added as the new commit. So here I can fix anything or make any change and commit it. So you can make changes in the terminal, or you can use your editor, whatever you prefer. So in the terminal you see the commit message that would be used, or you can simply use your editor to type the commit message and click on the commit. So this is the staged change. You can make any change and click on the commit. And now if you type git log --1 line, you will notice that our commit is still there, but it has reverted our change as the part of the new commit. I can show you as well in the side-by-side comparison here. So for example, let me show you. Here in the first commit we had the first text, then in the second we added the second, and the third commit we removed the text second, but this was done with the help of another commit. So in this way you can keep track of your changes or any reverts that you will make. So in this way history is preserved. It is safe for the pushed commits, and you should use it if your changes are already pushed, and use this command so that you never rewrite the public history. So let me recap. So we discussed the 3 approaches: soft, hard, and revert. Soft is, you can remember in this way that soft means keep changes, hard means delete everything, Revert means it is safe for the pushed code. So in this way, you can remember what to use and when to use. Alright, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you enjoyed this video and if this was useful, then please make sure to subscribe for more Git tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.